Hello, golf enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping into the world of elegance and mastery on the green. This serene and contemplative sport will give you the opportunity to connect with nature and yourself. Golf courses are renowned for their vistas that stretch into the depths of greenery. Each course is filled with different obstacles and varying levels of difficulty. The basic equipment you need to start golfing is a golf club and a golf ball. Clubs come in different lengths and types, each designed for different purposes. Golf is a sport that can be played solo or with a group, with the goal of getting the golf ball into the hole in as few strokes as possible. Players start from the tee area, hit the ball toward the target, and then progress by hitting the ball toward the hole. The basic rule of the game is to finish the hole with the least number of strokes. Additionally, terms like par and handicap are important and used to evaluate players' performances. Golf is filled with various terms and techniques. The first shot, known as the drive, is when the ball is hit from the tee. The fairway is the smooth and manicured part of the green. Putt refers to the smooth strokes made near the hole. Additionally, the use of different clubs and techniques is important in golf, such as chip and flop shots. Golf is a sport where respect and etiquette are crucial. Players play in silence and are careful not to disrupt other players' games. Also, respecting the natural beauty of the golf course and its surroundings is a fundamental principle of golf. Golf carts allow players to easily carry the heavy equipment and ball along the course. They also help golfers continue their game without getting tired and save time. This way, golfers experience a more comfortable and efficient gaming experience. There are many legendary players and names in golf history. However, one of the most famous names is Tiger Woods. Woods is considered the star of modern golf and has won many major tournament championships. He has also become a phenomenon in the golf world, increasing the sport's popularity. Here is the fascinating world and intricacies of golf. After watching this video, you'll have a better understanding of how special a sport golf truly is. Enjoy exploring this exciting sport for your next round. Let us know in the comments and request the videos of other sports you'd like to see. See you in the next video.